Everyday developers build new AI agent tools to help teams automate work, manage tasks, and ship faster. This is your weekly project update video covering top trending AI agent projects this week. In the next few minutes, you will discover practical new agent platforms for coding, support, research, and workflow execution. Without wasting time, let's get started.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1: Atoms, multi-agent AI team for building apps. Atoms is an AI-powered multi-agent development platform that turns natural language ideas into working websites and full-stack apps. It uses a coordinated team of AI employees, like a product manager, engineer, architect, and data analyst, to plan, write code, test features, and deploy projects from one chat workflow. Atoms handles hosting and infrastructure through its built-in cloud layer, with options to export code or sync to GitHub for full control. It is built for founders, developers, and teams who want to ship faster. Try building with Atoms today. Project number 2: Helply, AI support agent that resolves real customer requests. Helply is an AI customer support agent system designed to fully resolve support conversations, not just answer questions. It works by handling end-to-end requests and taking action inside your support workflow, with escalation when needed and full context included. Helply includes training, personalization, and built-in actions to improve resolution over time. It runs as a support automation layer for teams that want fewer tickets and faster outcomes. Explore Helply to build your AI support agent today. Project number 3: Codex by OpenAI, desktop command center for multi-agent coding. Codex by OpenAI is an agentic coding system that helps developers manage multiple AI agents across software projects. It solves the problem of long-running development tasks by letting agents run in parallel threads, review diffs, and complete work inside cloud sandbox environments. Codex connects with Git workflows, work trees, and built-in automations to delegate repetitive coding tasks. It is designed for engineers and teams supervising coordinated AI development. Try Codex to start building with agents. Project number 4: Ray, MCP-enabled desktop tool for AI agent workflows. Ray is a developer-focused desktop platform that lets AI agents interact directly with your Windows, tools, and debugging environment. It includes a built-in model context protocol server, so agents can read from and write to Ray using structured skills and payloads. This helps solve the problem of connecting AI agents to real app workflows beyond chat. Ray is built for developers who want agent-driven output and tool access during daily work. Check out Ray to connect your agents to your workspace. Project number 5: Sun, AI assistant for personal task execution. Sun is an AI agent app designed to help users manage tasks and personal workflows through conversational automation. It focuses on turning requests into actions, helping reduce manual coordination across daily work. Sun runs as an app-based assistant that supports natural language input and execution through connected tools. It is built for people who want a simple AI layer for productivity and task follow-through. Visit Sun to see how it fits into your routine. Project number 6: Maximem Vity, memory plugin for persistent AI agent context. Maximem Vity is a memory-focused AI agent plugin designed to give OpenClaw agents long-term context across conversations. It solves the problem of forgetting user preferences and prior interactions by storing and recalling structured memory during agent execution. The plugin runs as an add-on layer that enhances continuity for tool-using AI assistants. It is built for developers who want smarter persistent agent behavior. Explore Maximem Vity to add memory to your agent system. Project number 7: ClawSimple, lightweight interface for running OpenClaw agents. ClawSimple is a simplified AI agent interface built to make OpenClaw easier to use for everyday automation. It helps users run agent workflows without complex setup by providing a clean front end for tool execution and task handling. ClawSimple focuses on accessibility while keeping agent control structured and direct. It is designed for users who want practical AI automation with minimal friction. Try ClawSimple to start working with agents quickly. Project number 8: Invofox 2.0, experiment-driven AI document parsing for production accuracy. Invofox 2.0 is an AI document extraction agent system built for developers who need reliable structured data from messy real-world files. It solves the problem of demo-level OCR failing in production by running controlled extraction experiments inside a configurable pipeline. Invofox connects classification, validation, and field-level accuracy checks so teams can see what changes improve results before deploying deployment. It supports workflows like human review and integration hooks for handling failed validations. Try it to make document automation dependable. Project number 9, Silkwave, private Mac workspace for multi-model AI workflows. Silkwave is a unified AI agent workspace for macOS that helps professionals use multiple AI models and transcription tools in one private app. It solves the friction of switching between separate chat and audio tools by connecting OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, Llama, and Apple Intelligence through a single interface. Silkwave records system or microphone audio, runs on-device or cloud transcription, and lets users chat with files for summaries and answers. Explore it to simplify daily AI work on your Mac. Project number 10, Voice Anywhere, voice interface layer for AI agent control. Voice Anywhere is a voice-driven AI agent interface designed to let users control tools and workflows through spoken commands. It solves the problem of manual interaction by turning voice input into structured execution across connected systems. Voice Anywhere is built for teams and users who want hands-free access to AI automation in work settings. It focuses on practical voice-based control rather than chat-only workflows. Explore Voice Anywhere to add voice to your agent experience. Project number 11, Polyvia, AI agent platform for business workflow automation. Polyvia is an AI agent system that helps businesses automate internal workflows by turning instructions into structured actions across connected tools. It focuses on coordinating tasks like data handling, process execution, and operational support through an agent-driven interface. Polyvia runs as a cloud-based automation layer designed to integrate with modern work systems while keeping execution organized and repeatable. It is built for teams that want faster operations with less manual effort. Visit Polyvia to explore agent-based automation. Project number 12, Hyta, AI agent assistant for everyday productivity workflows. Hyta is an AI assistant platform designed to help users manage work and personal tasks through conversational automation. It solves the problem of scattered productivity tools by providing a central agent that can understand requests, respond clearly, and guide execution across daily workflows. Hyta focuses on simple interaction and practical support rather than complex setup. It is built for people who want AI help that fits naturally into routine work. Try Hyta to see how agent support can simplify tasks. Project number 13, Reavion, AI agent system for intelligent business execution. Reavion is an AI-powered agent platform built to help organizations automate decision-making and task execution through connected workflows. It focuses on turning business goals into agent actions by coordinating reasoning, tool use, and structured outputs in one system. Reavion supports practical automation across operations where teams need faster follow-through and clear outcomes. It is designed for businesses adopting AI agents for real execution. Explore Reavion to start building with autonomous workflows. Project number 14, Pretty Prompt, prompt enhancement tool for clearer AI outputs. Pretty Prompt is a prompt-focused AI tool that helps users rewrite and structure prompts for better responses from large language models. It solves the problem of unclear instructions by transforming rough input into clean, effective prompts optimized for agent and chatbot workflows. Pretty Prompt runs as a simple interface layer that improves prompt quality without changing the underlying model. It is built for creators, teams, and developers working with AI daily. Try Pretty Prompt to improve your prompt workflow. Project number 15, Leapility, AI agents that run real business processes. Leapility is an AI agent automation platform designed to help companies execute workflows across tools, teams, and systems. It focuses on turning business operations into agent-managed processes that reduce repetitive manual work. Leapility connects with modern workplace software so tasks can move from intent to execution in one flow. It is built for organizations that want scalable AI-driven operations without heavy complexity. Visit Leapility to explore AI agents for process automation. Project number 16, Archimyst, AI agent workspace for structured research and insight. Archimyst is an AI-enabled platform designed to help users organize research, extract insights, and manage complex information through agent-supported workflows. It solves the problem of fragmented knowledge by offering a structured environment where AI can assist with analysis and synthesis. Archimyst focuses on clarity, context, and guided exploration of content. It is built for researchers, strategists, and teams working with deep information. Explore Archimyst to build smarter research flows. Project number 17, Webhound, AI browsing agent for real-time web tasks. Webhound is an AI agent system that helps users search, navigate, and complete tasks across the live web through automated browsing. It solves the problem of manual web research by letting an agent gather information, follow links, and return structured results quickly. Webhound runs as a web-connected assistant that focuses on execution, not just chat. It is built for users who need fast online discovery and workflow support. Try Webhound to automate your next web task. Project number 18, The Prompting Company, Professional Prompt Systems for AI Teams. The Prompting Company is a prompt engineering and AI workflow provider that helps teams design reliable prompts and agent instructions for real deployments. It solves the problem of inconsistent AI behavior by building structured prompt frameworks that improve model outputs in production settings. The Prompting Company focuses on practical prompt systems rather than experimentation. It is built for businesses adopting AI agents and assistants at scale. Visit the Prompting Company to strengthen your AI workflows. Project number 19, Kipps AI WhatsApp Agent, Customer-Facing AI Agent inside WhatsApp Chats. Kipps AI WhatsApp Agent is an AI customer support agent that runs directly inside WhatsApp to handle conversations and user requests. It solves the problem of slow response and manual chat handling by automating replies, routing, and support flows in a familiar messaging channel. Kipps AI connects agent behavior with business context so users get real help through chat. It is built for teams offering support or sales through WhatsApp. Explore Kipps to deploy your agent in messaging. Project number 20, Fluent, AI Writing Assistant built for Mac workflows. Fluent is a Mac-based AI assistant designed to help users write, rewrite, and improve text across everyday applications. It solves the problem of switching between tools by providing AI help directly inside the desktop workflow. Fluent focuses on fast access, smooth integration, and practical writing support without leaving your current context. It is built for professionals who want AI writing assistants throughout the day. Try Fluent to bring AI writing into your Mac experience. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.